Jack Dunn. I am the superintendent here at the Patriot Golf Club. Have been here for the last 15 years. A little bit of everything out here. It's a big property and there's a lot to do. Use, a lot of Florentine products for greens and your fungicides that are pretty common in the industry. We haven't really done a whole lot with chemical aerification tools like Turf2Max or anything like that, so it's kind of something we started to try out with Turf2Max last year, just kind of testing it out on one of our fairways, and we kind of broadened our usage of it this year to tees and approaches and fairways on 1, 4, 5, and 14. Those are typically the harder to deal with fairways because they don't have carp paths, something we're trying to add soon, but so they got a lot of compaction, so over the years it's been kind of hard to keep these fairways healthy as far as, heavy compaction, cart traffic, all that kind of thing. Yeah, David came out and did a bunch of testing with us, taking actual core samples, sending those off and all that. So we had kind of an idea of how bad it was, and it's always been really hard to get a core aerification done out here, so he suggested we try a chemical solution, and I think it worked out really well. So we treated the entire fairway last year, and then this year we did the same thing, but we added 3 more fairways, 1, 4, 5, as well as 14, and then we also treated all of our tees and approaches on that as well. No, we haven't really used anything other than Turf2Max as far as that objective. We use fertilizers and fungicides and all that kind of stuff, but as far as Turf2Max is kind of our standalone as far as helping these things be a little bit more consistent on water. Like, we got a lot of localized dry spots out here just because of the undulating turf that we have, the heavy slopes that we get, and we've got a pretty high clay soil. So in the past we've seen a lot of areas that dry out a lot quicker than others, and so I think this Turf2Max, especially on tees and approaches, I've seen a lot less of that going on, more consistent and uniform as far as uptaking water and green up and all that stuff.